Hello, myself Sheetal Arora, a contestant of Verizon Powerful Awards in Healthcare category. Today I am going to present my idea on SCIRehab.com, which will help spinal cord injury patients in rehabilitation. SCIRehab.com is an online startup company that will help patients in rehabilitation after spinal cord injury. The purpose of this project is to provide all the updated information related to rehabilitation programs for SCI patients and to create a network community on a website where patients can share their experiences, common medical problems and stories at one place. The purpose of sharing stories provide them a hope and a sense of belonging to the many patients who feel isolated by their injury. The major problem after spinal cord injury is inadequate rehabilitation and limited access to education and training related to spinal cord injuries. Rehabilitation allows many people with a spinal cord injury to live productive and independent life. Rehabilitation after injury is a major problem throughout the world which hasn't got much attention yet. The biggest challenges we are facing with the SCI patients are facing accessibility to resources and affordable health care for rehabilitation after injury. According to the World Health Data Report 2013, more than 1 billion persons in the world have some form of disability, which corresponds to about 15% of the world's population. People with disabilities often do not receive a needed health care. Half of the disabled people cannot afford health care compared to a third of non-disabled people. People with disabilities are more than twice as likely to find health care providers, nearly 3 times more likely to be denied health care, and 4 times more likely to report being treated badly than non-disabled people. And I believe to overcome such big challenges, technology can help in transforming rehabilitation methods, and if we expand access to digital tools and educate caregivers, doctors and patients about new and existing methods which will help spinal cord injury patients in their further recovery. Verizon core capabilities like cloud computing and mobile workforce provides easy access to the information which will allow patients to access the web, stay connected with the critical information and also help them in rapidly sharing their files. Also, cloud technology provides a cost-effective way to expand rehabilitation-related resources so that patients can use mobile health apps and large amount of healthcare data on their smartphones. With mobile access, Verizon Network can provide a real-time access to the patient care from virtually anywhere. We can also incorporate Verizon Vigo technology, where robots enable the physiotherapist, doctors and caregivers to diagnose and provide other services remotely, which include sharing of existing and new technologies virtually across various parts of the world, which will give caregivers a chance to interact with other people, and virtual experiences will make them feel that they are not alone. Thank you very much.